I have completed a project called DevOps agent, which will scan your entire instance. Like if it is AWS, then AWS EC2 machine. Of course, I have to provide the credential, or your local container, local machine. Like this project is running on AWS EC2 machine on port public IP 9881.196.33 on port 3000. So in this AWS EC2 machine, if you select local container inspection, then on the EC2 machine where I deployed this project, this will scan this EC2 machine and give me a feedback how many errors is there present. I can also select the types and others, so on so forth. I will show these details. Also I can select cloud container inspection. I will select here from AWS, GCP or Azure environment, which cloud you are using, and I will have to give the access key, secret, and also region, and on which region I want to scan the errors. I can also load AWS regions from here. I will come from the login page first. There is you can sign up from here, and I have already an account, so I didn't go to the sign up page. So login. Then at first I want to show the local container inspection. If I select the local container inspection, you will have to select more. Runtime option, include CPU memory stat, include recent container logs. I will select port, number of log tails, lines, how many lines of log you want to see from the last. Only scan running containers. No, I want to see the running and stop container both. Enable Trivy image security scan. No, this will take much more time. You will have heard about Trivy if you are familiar with DevOps or compared tech related. So enable optional AI analysis. I will also keep it as it is, and these are previously inspected. And a scan, when you run the scan, it will take some time and it will provide the my local machines status, like my this project on where EC2 machine is deployed. From these EC2 machines report, on this EC2 machine I have 3 running container, 2 stop container. Let's verify this. This is my EC2 machine. I have connected through SSH from my local machine, local laptop. This is Ubuntu IP address 173.116.2.0.9. So sudo docker ps will provide 3 running containers. Okay, then if I run docker ps -a, this will show me the all container running and stopped. Both 2 containers stopped and 3 are running, up for 50 minutes, up for 33 minutes. Okay, so matched with my actual result. So let's go to the local container command center. So what is the health of the stop container? This is not configured. Also this is not configured, so this is different. Then I have isolated the container, which container have the problem. So this container stopped and this container stopped, then I will go and see the logs for those containers and decide what is the problem, and this will isolate the containers from other running containers. So I don't have to look at those containers. I will have to focus on those containers are problem, not others. So I have split the problem from 5 container to 2 container, then I will see those 2 container one by one. Then open full report.